Hi, guys, and welcome to the review today of how to create a planned meeting within the Vectra OnPoint Mentors. I hope you like the new style. Giving you a wave down in the left-hand corner, so that's looking pretty cool. So anyway, so what we're going to do here, you can see we have a selection of meetings already booked. What will happen is that in the other video we talked about creating a link that you send to your clients. This will be what it will look like from their perspective, but also it allows you to create an appointment. If you've perhaps discussed it on the telephone and decided that yes, you want an appointment in your diary, you can create your virtual office. You can send them a link. It will send them a link, and therefore everybody is on the same page. So we're going to hit plan a meeting. This is obviously going to take a little bit of time as it thinks about where it's going to go off. It's going to link to my online calendar. What you don't want to happen, obviously, is to have multiple people jumping into the calendar at the same time. So this is why it's just taking a little bit of time to think about the various options. Here it comes. It's gone off and found my book, my calendar. It's linking with my Mac, finding my iCal, etc. Now, I have a lot of appointments, so that's why it's taking a little time to load. But in your point of view, what will happen is that you will just have one appointment that will come up, because that would be the URL that you're using, or if they've seen it from their side. So we're going to scroll down. You can see lots of different ones. Some are monetized, some are not. We're going to use this one here, which is schedule an appointment, which is a free one, which is the one I would normally send to my clients. Now, as you can see, it's gone off and found my online calendar and is showing my availability, showing that I'm available most of the afternoon. We'll take the top slot there for an hour, which is really nice. I'm currently sitting in the US recording this, but if you're in the UK seeing it then, or in Europe, you would see it in your own real time, which is really, really powerful and great. So we're going to grab that one. We're going to book it in my name just for ease, but if I was booking it on behalf of a client, then obviously I would put the client's name, and if the client was doing it, they'll be putting their name, etc., and they'll put their email so that it comes up. It's confirming the time, and we'll go for confirm of the appointment. What that is doing now is that has successfully created the appointment. I'm back. That's created the appointment, and they've received an email stating when it was, and I have a redirect on it, which will allow it reverts to my email. You can turn that off. I'm just going to go back. Let's see if we can see what it looks like. Nope, that hasn't reloaded, so no problem at all. But as you've seen, it's popped up here on the left-hand side, the option to see the fact that it's been confirmed, etc. So about the slight end there, guys, but as you can see, really easy. So we'll do it just one more time for clarity. Book the appointment, grab a slot, click the slot, key the email in, key the time, confirm the appointment. They'll get an email, as I've said, which lands in their box confirming the appointment. Also, they get a second email allowing them to access and put it into their calendar. You get an email, so it goes into your calendar, and hey presto, off we go. If you've also set up the reminder 15 minutes before the call, they're going to get another one. How's that? Sounds like a plan.